Do you want to see the only available line layout of a one-bedroom unit here in Brickell Heights with both city and ocean view at the lowest listing price of $650,000? Well, in today's video, I'm going to show you this unique layout that not only has a one-bedroom, but it has a den and two full bath with a huge balcony directly facing the ocean. By the way, my name is Stefania Mogolon, and if you're looking to buy, sell, rent, or invest, whether it is in this unit or any other apartment or house in South Florida or Miami, do not hesitate to reach out to me. All my information is going to be down here and also on the description box. Send me a text, send me an email, give me a call, and I'll be more than happy to help you make the move. I want to start this video by explaining you the location of this complex. We are in the heart of Brickell, right next to Brickell City Centre, sexy fish, many shops, stores, restaurants, bars. You are in the heart of it all. So if you're looking to move to Miami or if you're looking to be in Brickell, this is the place to be. And because I am already by the pool, I want to point out all the incredible amenities that this building has. It has a total of 3 pools, including a pool in the rooftop. So let's dive into all the amenities, and then you guys are going to come with me to see this incredible unit, which, by the way, I don't know if I mentioned, I'm sure you heard it, it's the only one-bedroom layout facing straight to the ocean. Welcome to Brickell Heights, a new level of luxury where every amenity is crafted to elevate your lifestyle. Start with a swim in one of their 3 swimming pools, including 2 on the rooftop with breathtaking city views, a perfect spot to unwind any time of the day. For fitness enthusiasts, you will love the fully equipped gym, offering everything you need to stay active without ever leaving the building. After a workout, you can even indulge in the luxury spa that features a sauna, a jacuzzi, steam room to melt away any stress. It's a peaceful retreat just steps from your home. For gatherings and entertainment, because Miami, it offers an expansive party room as well as a private theater where you can enjoy movie nights in style and comfort. There is also a dedicated kids play area for families, providing a safe and fun environment for children to explore and connect. For professionals, you have a conference room that offers a quiet and modern setting, ideal for remote work or meetings. This building is designed to provide you the finest in modern living. Experience a life where luxury, convenience, and sophistication are at your fingertips. Okay, so now we are inside the unit 3802 here in Brickell Heights, and the first thing that we're gonna see is this den space that's very spacious, and you can do multiple things with this. You can put a Murphy bed, you can put a sofa bed if you want guests to come over. You can do your office space, your game area, your lounge area. You can do so many things that you wouldn't be able to if you go to a one-bedroom, and you are saving some money if you're going to go to a full 2-bedroom apartment. So you have this. Now, right across, we have not a half bath, but a full bathroom with a stand-up shower, vanity, and toilet, all separate from your en-suite primary bathroom. So let's take a look. Now, in this full bath, you can see, even though it's like a secondary bathroom or a guest bathroom, it's very spacious. It has 1 sink, but you have plenty of countertop space to put your personal items or decoration. You have quartz countertops, you have plenty of cabinet space. You can see down here, it's super spacious, but also you have this very spacious stand-up shower with glass door, glass enclosure, which is very nice to have. Now, moving along, and before we get into the eating kitchen and all the kitchen space, I do want to mention that this unit has brand new tile floors all throughout. It has been freshly painted, and all the trims have also been replaced. So you are walking into a unit that is ready for you to move in. Now let's take a look at the kitchen. In the kitchen, of course, it's a design where you have all of this space in the middle, so you can easily put a round table with 4 chairs or kind of like an island, a mobile island. You have an option to do multiple things with this space and also have a dining area or use the den as a formal dining space. Now, what I love about this kitchen, it has a lot of cabinets all around. Also, the fridge, it's with the panels just the same as the cabinets, so it's very cohesive all throughout. Super high quality, high-end fridge, extremely spacious. You have a separate area for the freezer. With sleek, lightwood cabinetry and integrated appliances, this kitchen offers a minimalistic look that's both sophisticated and practical. The spacious countertops provide plenty of room for cooking, while high-end stainless steel appliances make meal prep a breeze. It's an ideal space for anyone who loves to cook or entertain, blending seamlessly with the open living area to create a welcoming, airy atmosphere. Stepping into the living room with its open layout and generous dimensions, this space is a blank canvas, ready to be transformed to suit your version. The expansive floor-to-ceiling windows provide not only breathtaking views, which you're going to see in a second, but also ample natural light, allowing you to create a bright and inviting atmosphere. The seamless flow into the adjoining areas like the kitchen makes it perfect for customizations. Whether you envision a cozy reading nook by the window, a vibrant art display wall, or a multifunctional area for work and relaxation, this living room can adapt to your needs. It's modern, minimalistic, and provides the perfect foundation for any style or function that you choose to bring to your life. And now the best part about this unit, which is the view. You have 2 balcony exits from the living room and also the bedroom. And you can just wake up in the morning and grab a coffee right here in your balcony and enjoy this incredible view. Now, moving forward to the bedroom, it is very spacious, and you can easily put a queen or a king size bed. This one is a queen bed, and you still have plenty of space for a dresser, a lamp, 2 nightstands. So you're going to be very comfortable in this apartment, whether it is for 1 person or 2 people. There is plenty of space in this unit. Now let's go and take a look at the closet, one of my favorite parts because it is very spacious. So if you have a lot of stuff, this apartment is amazing for you. Now we are in the primary bathroom, and here we can see double of everything, double sink, double cabinetry, double mirrors. So you have plenty of space for 2 people, and you're not going to be fighting over my space or your space. You have plenty of space and also plenty of countertop space, which is, to me, very necessary. Top of the line cabinetry, handles, everything is custom made. And towards the back, you have a full-size tub and a shower head. So you have all the alternatives that you want to have in this unit. And this has been all for today. Remember that I am Stefania Magolan, your local Miami real estate agent. So if you're interested in this unit or any other property in South Florida, condo or single family house, please do not hesitate to reach out to me. All my information is going to be here and also in the description box. Whether you want to buy, sell, rent, or invest, just give me a call, send me an email, and I'll be more than happy to help you make the move.